a lot of things you should hold dear, keep in your heart. Never let go, never let go, never let go. Pride and dignity, a sense of self, hold on. When that boy leaves and you need someone to turn to, when you feel alone, you will know you're not alone. If you've been true to all who are truly, you make it fine. If you remember your friends, just remember you can call. Just remember that passion fades. Good friendship seldom dies. Go ahead, have your fun, but don't turn your back on everyone.
Mamela Jomani, inhleku yaphi ebusuku kusomfana?
Mina ngiphuza imali yami, mina ngikholile kubazi.
Mamela mfana, ngiyazi ukuthi uholile and ukudala uhlala la eGauteng, mara kufanele umamele ubambe umthetho.